case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the Delaware Court of Chancery heard the Mentor Graphics Corp v. Quickturn Design Systems Inc. case, which focused on the question of whether a company's board could take defensive measures in response to a hostile takeover bid. These measures needed to be proportionate to the perceived threat and not interfere with shareholder rights. The situation began when Mentor Graphics attempted a hostile takeover of Quickturn Design. In response, Quickturn's board rejected the offer and enacted defensive measures such as amending bylaws to delay special stockholder meetings and replacing the dead hand feature of the shareholder rights plan with the Deferred Redemption Plan, DRP. Mentor Graphics then sued Quickturn to invalidate these protective actions. The court was tasked with determining if these defensive measures were reasonable based on the threat posed by Mentor Graphics. During the case, it also analyzed a variation of the poison pill rights plan called a no-hand poison pill, which prevents all members of a newly elected target board from redeeming rights to facilitate an acquisition by the bidder for 6 months. Ultimately, the court held that the bylaw amendment was valid but ruled that the DRP was invalid. As a result, defendants received judgment in their favor regarding the bylaw amendment's invalidity, while plaintiffs won regarding the DRP's invalidity. Following the decision, lawyers for both parties were instructed to discuss and submit an implementing order.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.